In order to get paid, you must follow these 3 steps in order. First, you need to activate the Crystals Hub on your Snapstar profile. Next, you need to activate the Snapchat payout portal. And finally, you need to set up your Hyperwallet account and get tax verified. So to activate the Crystals Hub on your Snapchat profile, you want to open the app, tap the icon in the top left corner. From My Profile, you want to scroll down and click on the My Snaps Crystals. And then you want to provide your contact information for payout. Now that you've activated the Crystals Hub, you'll need to activate the Snapchat payout portal. So after you've successfully provided your contact information within the app, you will receive instructions at the email address you provided on how to activate the Snapchat payout portal via our partner, Hyperwallet. Please note that this email may take several weeks to arrive as we process your applications. And finally, you'll need to set up your Hyperwallet account and get tax verified. You will receive an email from Hyperwallet when your account has been created. This email will provide a link to activate your account and complete taxpayer verification. The email will ask for an access code, which will appear in the My Crystals section of your Snapchat app within 48 hours of receiving your email.